Find or read reviews that people are talking about ECOHARV RV Shower Head with hose. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 5 modes RV shower head with hose. Experience a high-pressure handheld RV shower head with on-off switch featuring 5 spray modes: rain, massage, rain plus massage, pause, and powerful wash. This versatile outdoor shower head for RV is one of the top RV must-haves for your camper, travel trailer, motorhome, or boat. Powerful power jet mode. Simply detach the head to transform it into a camper shower head power wash for cleaning tubs, tiles, or pets. As a core part of your RV camper accessories, this mode features up to 36 holes for a stronger, more effective spray compared to standard RV shower head replacement. Pause button, a game changer for RV camping essentials. The built-in spring button shuts off water flow completely. This RV shower feature is a must for conserving water during boondocking. However, for safety, always close the faucet valve after your camper shower. Adjustable RV shower head holder. This essential RV bathroom accessory offers 2 installation methods: screw drilling, adhesive, or both. The 5-position angle adjustable holder ensures this handheld shower head stays exactly where you want it, making it a top choice for RV accessories for inside. Easy installation and no tool no plumber. This complete kit includes a RV camper shower head and hose, shower hose clamp, and adhesive holder. Featuring universal G1/2 threads and a stainless steel shower hose, installs in just 5 minutes. It's one of the top RV essentials for travel trailers for a quick tool-free upgrade. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.